Good morning. It is a very, very snowy and a little bit icy day in Manchester, so not going to be on the road bike. Got the mountain bike in the back. I've driven over to Phillips Park, which is really, really good. There's like two trails, so I'm just going to basically just do laps of them today, just to, I don't know, just get more used to them. There's like some with like a couple of steeper drops. I thought I would share later on in this video some of my goals and just things I'm hoping to do in 2021, just to, I don't know, hopefully encourage you. But yeah, I reckon first let's just get on the trails. So I've got it, and I've forgot my glasses, and I've also forgot the what do you call it, the composer. You don't have to stick your GoPro to your chest mount, but luckily Phil always brings his chest mount.
Whatever you need, I'm here for you.
You've got, how do you have everything?
Well, all the gear, no idea.
Where the goggles are? You're not wearing your goggles?
Goggles?
No, I think I look like a knob.
But why don't you do a run and see how you
I'll do one run and then, okay. It is all cold though, my eyes are already streaming. The wind is too icy for my eyes. I'm borrowing goggles.
call this the Enduro look.
Enduro, baby. Oh yeah, they're toasty.
Right.
Oh yeah. Is that it? Oh shit, that's ice.
Yeah, 5 miles then, well done. Yeah, that was awesome. You did that by miles. That's it. Yeah, well done. Yeah, that was awesome.
So I've just been practicing like lifting the front wheel. I start with a little tiny twig.
Get it.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I've literally just been doing circles. There's a tiny twig. Come bring them. And then can you carry that rock? Bring the rock. Bring the massive, come on, bring the rock. Come on, muscles. Yeah, you do. You're like, what's he doing with them?
Oh, there you go.
Right, so we've got
Stick one.
stick number 1. Jumped over that.
I'll be your Debbie McGee.
Thank you. Stick number 2. And then slab.
Yeah.
I'm not carrying that. That's really helpful. So I've literally just been doing circles, just trying to lift the front wheel and get up and clear it. Which I've done. Also, I've got to say, while he's not here, Phil is just so good at teaching. Like, he's so patient. You can tell he's got kids. Classic. Just yanked up his trousers. No, but I'm just going to just do it. Just freewheel. Manual.
Oh, sick. That's how you start a manual.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that today, but okay. We're showing Phil actually jumping. Oh, you proper flew! Awesome, buddy. That is epic. I want to be able to ride like that.
Yeah, jumping.
But I was like, oh my god, I'm in the air! What is going on? I want to do it again now.
You got all mud all over you.
I want to do it again. Don't film me clapping.
Just think, you never know.
How good with that?
Awesome.
Thanks for the goggles. Love that.
Yeah, definitely.
Thanks.
Especially now you're getting airtime.
Now I'm getting the old goggles. It's not probably not look like I got in the air Did I get in the air?
A good 30 centimetres.
Was it that much?
Yeah, front wheel, anyway. But the thing is, nothing looks anything on camera. It doesn't look steep, they're steep. It doesn't look slippy, it's slippy. And it doesn't look like you've done a big jump, but you've done a decent jump there.
I did a little jump. And now I'm happy, it's because of the goggles. I reckon it's the goggles that did it.
I think it's just sheer practice and being awesome.
Thanks so much for teaching me.
It's just so pro, you goggles on. I didn't even recognise you, you're in Joro.
Who is this girl? Who is she? She ain't a road rider today.
I was going to say, you'll see you on road bike with those goggles on, won't you?
That, honestly, get goggles. I want goggles for the road bike. I can't even tell you how much fun that was. So good. Most fun I've had on a bike this year. I made that really lame joke to Phil and he's like, oh, that's so nice. It's like, hang on a minute. It's the second or whatever it is, the third. It just felt like today, I don't know what it is about mountain biking. It just feels like you're playing out. Like it does a lot of the time on a road bike, but way more. We just literally just did loops of this, like jumping over sticks and just, I don't even know what time it is. I literally have lost complete track of time. And I just could not be happier. Like, oh, also, not even got onto my goals this year. It's been, so yeah, goals for this year. I mean, I can't really be that specific because God knows what's going on with, like, whatever. But general goals, I just want to go off-road more. Like, I just want to learn a lot more gravel, a lot more, like, technical stuff. Like, that's going to be my main thing. And then obviously just doing a load of long rides and bike packing. I want to do so much more bike packing this year. And another one is ride. I want to get some group rides when we can and ride with a load of you because that's what I want to do. Last year, couldn't do it. So they are like my main focuses. Off-road, long distance, bike packing, group rides with you lot. You throw something at me. What was it? It's snow, it's snow. You're just going to get cold hands, buddy. Look at the state of that, it's not even a snowball. Look at this. That is not a snowball. You wait, that is not a snowball. God, right, you're having it. You're going to get a stone in the middle of your snowball. Do you know when we used to do that? When kids used to do it at school, you'd be like, you fucking, there's a stone in the middle of that. Let's get these bad boys washed. You ready? Get them washed? God, I look like I've got a dirt moustache. A dirt moustachey.
Get lost.
What are these you've got? What are these on your legs?
They're mountain bike specific shorts.
He was saying, he said, if anyone knows that I've got road shorts under my mountain bike ones, I'll never.
A secret.
Just come on, give us a little flash.
I don't even know where they are.
Full factory, mate, full factory.
You keep that for yourself.
I know I do this after pretty much every mountain bike ride, but I don't know what it is, right? I just get so happy. Just today, I've just had such a good time, and you've got to try it. If you are a roadie, please try it. Like, go and, what's that, my GoPro? Just go and rent one, because it's just so much fun, and I can't believe I've waited like 5 years or however long to try mountain biking out. I think I've only been out a few hours. What time is it? I don't even know, maybe 3. That's the thing, you've just completely lost track of time, and I just love it. I'm just like beaming. I just feel so happy, and I just love it. And I would never have gone out on the road today. It was so icy and snowy, and as much as I love Zwift, there's just nothing that beats actually physically getting out, like in the fresh air. Might do some Zwift later, might not, but I just love still being able to get out, ride my bike, learn new skills, meet different people, and I just feel so happy. Right, so I'm going to leave it there for today. Let me know your goals for this year as well, if you've got any, if they're cycling related, if they're not cycling related, if it's to do with weight, if it's to do with adventure, if it's to do with anything. Maybe try and Veganuary. If you want me to do any Veganuary videos, any like my favourite recipes, let me know. And I hope you're having a brilliant day, and I will see you next video. Thumbnail. This is how you do it. Have I?
Right in your tooth.
Where?
Yeah. Moved on to the wall.
Have I? That's so gross.